Your love, dear man, is as lovely to me as sweet soothing oil to the limbs of the restless, as clean ritual robes to the flesh of gods, as fragrance of incense to one coming home, hot from the smells of the street. It is like nipple berries ripe in the hand, like the tongue of grain meal mingled with beer, like wine to the palate when taken with white bread. While unhurried days come and go, let us turn to each other in quiet affection. Walk in peace to the edge of old age, and I shall be with you each unhurried day. A woman, given her one wish, to see for a lifetime the face of her Lord. Your love, dear man, is as lovely to me. By John L. Foster.